Hello Violet Gray, I'm Gucci Westman, and today I'm going to show you a really beautiful, simple, chic holiday look using just 3 products. You're going to get a red lip, beautiful, radiant, warm skin, and fluttery jet black lashes with definition in the eyes. I'm going to start with Peau de Soleil. Okay, I'll show you how beautiful this golden, rich, bronzy, warm shade is that gives you so much luminosity. It gives you radiance and it gives you warmth. You can use it on your cheeks, you can use it on your eyes, and it really elevates the skin. Okay, so I'm using my blender brush. I'm gonna swirl it around like so to pick up the product. And I'm going to follow my cheek. This brush was especially made for this product, so it would make it easy, intuitive, quick, effective, all those things we like. And you see, it frames your face, it gives you warmth, it gives you that something. It makes your skin feel so much more refined. Now I'm gonna use my eyeshadow 2 brush to apply some Peau de Soleil on my eyes to give them some definition. So I just lightly swipe over. For the outer corner, I'm just making sure there are no harsh edges, nothing sharp. So it's a bit of a floaty looking eye. I've always liked a floaty eye. So it's not a harsh shape, it's not graphic, it's just more of an idea of giving your eye definition and elongating your eye. I like playing with makeup so it doesn't feel makeup-y, but it just works in your favor and it gives you a little boost. Blend my finger, just soften the edges, soften the top of the eye. You can go in a little bit on the bottom, in your bottom lashes. I love anything goldy, especially around holiday. And no holiday look is really complete without mascara. Okay, so here is most beautiful mascara. I Love You. The color is clean black because it is mega clean, 97% natural. But it gives you those lashes. One swipe of mascara, I'm going in right to my root. Little fluttery motions. And what I really love about this mascara is I can rely on the performance. I always feel like when I tried natural mascaras, I was disappointed. So we had to make our own. And we have a natural curling agent, which really works. I never have to curl my lashes. I'm so grateful for that. You know, I like to get with sort of the very tip of the mascara wand. I just get right in there, in the corners of your eyes, in the outer corners of your eyes, and really flick those little babies out. Same thing for when you're doing bottom lashes. So I'm going to use Lip Suede. See how gorgeous are these shades. There's a fuchsia at the top, there's a bricky red, there's a tomato red, and there's a dusty rose. That's an everyday shade, easy. I'm gonna use my lip brush, okay? So I'm starting in the middle and I work my way out a little bit and then I go to the top. The pigments are so amazing. So if I apply this now, and I'm gonna have a few glasses of champagne, it's gonna stay. To keep it modern, you wanna keep your edges of your mouth a little bit on the softer side. So now apply a little bit of the fuchsia shade to my cheeks. Just dab it on a little bit and give myself a little bit of color. I like when there's multiple colors in the skin because then it feels more real. Okay, so I'm just dabbing it on with my finger. just, since it is very pigmented, you know, little goes a long way. I don't want to have too much. I still want it to be really soft. You can always go in with your back with my blender brush, just soften it. It's so pretty to have a fleshy, a radiant flesh. Okay, how's that for holiday?
Don't you